Ran into a problem during my last differential break-in drive. I'm not exactly sure what caused this to the sensor. After checking a little bit closer, I believe this brand was a standard, had no part number or name on it, so it could have been a counterfeit.
There it is, Paul. See how the tip's bent? I don't know how that happened. Pedro's telling me maybe when I put it in I did that, but I do not know how I would have done that. I put it in, made sure it wasn't cross-threaded. That looks like a lot of damage there. You see that? I don't know what could have caused that, because this thing goes right into the manifold unless excessive heat. There's nothing in there, I don't think, that can hammer it. Let me know what you think about that. Anyone? Wow. Anyway, I'm glad I kept my original. Put it in, it runs fine. Got me a Mopar on order coming in next week.